This weekend, skip the guessing game. Use one of the smartest setups in trading, the precision breakout and retest strategy, and learn it step by step at tradeinvestspro.com. First, scan for major weekly highs and lows where price reacted multiple times. The more touches a level has, the stronger the breakout will be. When price smashes through your level, check the volume. High volume means big players are in. And you want to follow the smart money. Don't chase the move. Wait for price to return to the breakout level and form a bullish engulfing candle or hammer. That's your green light to enter. Place your stop just below the retest zone and aim for a reward at least 3 to 4 times your risk. One win can cover multiple small losses. To sharpen your strategy and access pro tools, visit tradeinvestspro.com. You'll find advanced market breakdowns, tutorials, and expert insights. This weekend, trade like a strategist, not a gambler. Master the precision breakout and retest strategy with the resources at tradeinvestspro.com and take your trading to the next level.